Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and suddenly your brain becomes completely empty? You know the words, you studied grammar, you watched hundreds of videos, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out.
If that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not bad at English. You're simply practicing the wrong way. Most English learners spend years reading textbooks and memorizing vocabulary, but they rarely practice real speaking.
And that's exactly why today's video is different. For the next 30 minutes, we are not going to teach English like a classroom. Instead, we are going to practice together. You will repeat. You will answer questions. You will speak out loud.
And by the end of the session, you will know the daily habits that can improve your English speaking faster than most traditional methods. So get ready, find a quiet place, and most importantly, speak with us.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If this is your first time here, we're really happy you joined us today. My name is Sarah, and I love helping people learn English in a simple and natural way.
And I'm Noah. Our goal is simple. We want you to feel confident speaking English in real life. Not perfect English, not complicated English, just clear, natural English.
So today we're going to practice together. You will hear conversations, you will repeat sentences, you will answer questions, and you'll slowly start thinking in English.
And remember something important. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English well. The real secret is daily practice, small practice, simple practice, but consistent practice.
And later in this video, we'll also show you a 10-minute daily speaking routine that many English learners use to improve their fluency very quickly.
Yes, this routine is simple, but if you do it every day for 30 days, you will notice a huge difference in your confidence. So stay with us until the end.
Let's begin with something very simple, talking about your morning.
This is one of the most common topics in English conversations. People often ask questions like, how was your morning? What did you do today? Did you wake up early?
Let's listen to a short conversation. Hi, Sarah. How was your morning?
It was great. I woke up early, made some coffee, and checked my emails.
That sounds productive. I woke up a little late today, but I had a nice breakfast and listened to music. Now let's practice together. Repeat after us. Speak clearly. Speak out loud. Ready?
I woke up early today. I drank coffee. I checked my phone. I read a book. I listened to a podcast.
Now it's your turn. Answer this question out loud. How was your morning? Here are some example answers. My morning was relaxing. I woke up late today. I had breakfast and started work. I went for a walk. Pause the video if you need more time. And remember, speaking slowly is perfectly fine. Here's something important many learners don't realize. Fluent English speakers usually speak in short, simple sentences.
Yes, they don't try to create long, complicated grammar structures. They say things like, I woke up early today. I had coffee. I checked my messages. Short, simple, clear. And that's exactly what we're practicing today.
Now let's talk about another very common conversation topic, free time. People love asking this question. What do you do in your free time?
Let's listen to another short conversation.
Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching movies. Sometimes I listen to music.
That sounds relaxing. I like walking outside and listening to podcasts.
Repeat after us. I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I like listening to music. I enjoy walking outside.
Now answer this question. What do you do in your free time? Here are some ideas. I play football. I watch YouTube videos. I read English books. I listen to music. Speak out loud, even if you make mistakes, because speaking builds fluency. But there is one big problem many learners have. They translate from their language into English.
And this makes speaking slow and stressful.
But later in this video, we'll show you a simple trick that helps you start thinking directly in English.
Now let's talk about something extremely important, daily habits, because fluency doesn't come from studying once a week. Fluency comes from small daily actions.
Here are the habits that actually work. Habit 1. Speak English every day. Even 5 minutes is powerful. Habit 2. Listen to English conversations every day. Podcasts, videos, interviews. Habit 3. Shadowing. Repeat sentences immediately after hearing them. Habit 4. Describe your life in English. For example, I am cooking dinner. I am walking outside. I am studying English. Habit 5. Ask yourself questions in English, then answer them. Habit 6. Use simple sentences. Fluency comes before perfection. Habit 7. Make learning fun. Watch movies, sing songs, talk to friends. Learning should feel enjoyable, not stressful.
If you want fast improvement, try this routine every day. Minute 1 to 2, describe your morning. Minute 3 to 4, describe what you see around you. Minute 5 to 6, talk about food you like. Minute 7 to 8, talk about your plans for tomorrow. Minute 9 to 10, ask yourself questions and answer them.
Do this for 30 days. Your confidence will grow dramatically. Before we finish, let's do one final speaking exercise. Speak for 1 to 2 minutes about your day. Include these topics: your morning, your free time, what you ate today, your plans for tomorrow.
Here's an example. I woke up early today. I had breakfast and drank coffee. Later, I studied English and watched a short video. Tomorrow, I will practice speaking again. Now it's your turn. Speak out loud.
Remember something important. You don't need to study English for 10 hours a day.
You just need small daily practice.
5 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, 5 minutes next week. And slowly, your confidence grows.
Your English improves and speaking becomes natural.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Tell us in the comments, what daily habit will you start today?
And if this video helped you, share it with a friend who is learning English.
Subscribe for more real English practice.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.